In primetime news this evening, one of the accused in the high-profile double murder case pleads guilty. School at Salt Spring Primary came to a premature end after double murder. And later, opposition spokesman on transport demands apology from minister.
And welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com, and a special welcome to the viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I am Andrea Chisholm with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Javon Keys.
Well, Andrea, we have some news from the IMF. Some representatives were in Jamaica today, and at a press briefing they spoke about some things the region needs to do to enhance growth. Thank you, Keys. And Spencer Darlington, what's coming up in Primetime Sports?
Thank you, Archie. Well, some moves are being made to fast-track the process for the upcoming JFF elections. We'll tell you more in Primetime Sports later.
Thank you, Spencer. And Romaine Robinson is here with a preview of the weather report and forecast.
As we move into this weekend, we are expecting drier conditions in the mornings, but we still have those showers and thunderstorms to affect most of the island in the afternoons. And it's not until next week, Monday, that we're expecting another increase in showers and thunderstorms across most of the island.
Rain again?
I actually like that. I'm not complaining. There's also sports commentary and E-Prime in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening we're asking, what has been your experience trying to clear goods at the ports recently?
You can share your comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica. And you can tweet us at TVJ News Center.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.